Hello guys, in this video I will explain the File tab in Microsoft Word. So to access the File tab, we simply click on File tab. Now, in the File tab, here I can create a new Microsoft Word document. I can open a previously created document. I can save my document. I can print, and also I can change some options inside the software. So to create a new document, we simply click on the new button from here, and I can choose a previously defined template to my document, or I can choose a blank document without any template. Let's say we want to choose a template from the below list. For example, I want to select this template. We now click on create to create the new Microsoft Word document. Now my new document is named document 2, but till now I didn't save this document in any location. So the first thing I want to do is to save my document. So to save that document, we click on the save icon here from the quick access toolbar, or I can click on the keyboard Control S. We choose a name to the document. Let's say, for example, welcome to Word, and here I choose a location where I want to save my document. In my case, I want to save it on the desktop. So now if I click save, minimize the software, I can find my saved document here on the desktop. Now in the File tab, I want to close this newly created document. Okay, and let's try to open it from the File tab. We click on the Open button. I can browse a location. Let's say, for example, my document is saved on the desktop. I can browse the desktop location and choose that document from here and click open. Now the document is opened in Microsoft Word. If I want to close my document in the File tab, I simply click on close and the document is now closed, or I can click on the close this button here from here to close the document. Now also from the File tab, we can save our document, and we can save as. The difference between save and save as, the save button, it saved my document on the location it was located. If I want to save my document in a new location, I can simply click on save as and choose a new location where I want to save a copy of my Microsoft Word document in another location. So let's say I want to save another copy of this document in the My Documents folder. If I click save now, and if I browse the Documents folder on my PC, I can find my saved document. Now, if you want to print the document, I can simply from the File tab click on the print button here, From the print button, I can specify the number of copies. I can select my printer here. I can select to print all the pages or to print the current page. I can choose to print on one side or both sides of the paper. I can change the orientation of the paper from portrait to landscape. I can assign the paper size, let's say A4. I can customize the margins of the paper of my document. I can choose a narrow margin, a normal margin, or I can customize a new margin set. I can print one page per sheet, or I can print multiple pages per one paper or one sheet. Now also I have a shortcut to print my document. I can simply click on Ctrl P on the keyboard. It's the same function like we click the print button in the file tab. Now let's explain another button, which is the export. I can export my document to, let's say, for example, a PDF. I can convert my Word document to a PDF document here from the export button. Now I want to explain in the options. Here in the options, I can change all the options of the Microsoft Word, options and settings. But in my case, I want to explain one thing, which is from the advanced section. I want to scroll down to find in the display the measurements. I want to change the measurements from inches to centimeter. So you need to click on the options from the file tab, then click on the advanced button here and scroll down to the display section where you can find the option show measurement in units of. I want to show my measurements in centimeter.